Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you are going to claim your Bloom token. All right, how you are going to claim your Bloom token. All right, Bloom just introduced this information here. They just dropped this information on how exactly you are going to claim you are talking, but it's very complicated. It's a very weird. I have never seen anything like this on airdrops, but we are going to read it out now. Okay, so before we begin, if you know you are new to my YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm going to keep updating you with good informations like this. All right, so as you can see, here is the information. Here is the portal they released. They say 10 Bloom unlock over time, so they are going to give example for 10 Bloom. They're going to use 10 Bloom to give this example on how to claim exactly. All right, so how does Bloom claim work? This is the question they ask, and they said you can instantly claim 30% of your Bloom airdrop. You can instantly, the moment they drop the listing, you can claim up to 30% of your Bloom airdrop. The remaining part unlocks daily in equal portions. The remaining parts unlocks daily in equal portions. All right, they said, but whatever is left after you claim gets burned. Whatever you left after you claim, it get burned, reducing the total Bloom supply. For example, if you get 10, if you claim 30%, the remaining 7 are going to burn. But wait, calm down, let explain more. All right, they said you decide when to claim to get the most out of your airdrop. You decide. All right, you need to decide when to claim. All right, so let me explain more here. All right, calm down. They said here is how it works. If you have 10 Bloom, they're gonna use 10 Bloom to give example. If you have 10 Bloom now, claim at day 1. If you want to claim your Bloom token at day 1, what you are going to do exactly is you are going to get what? 3 Bloom. You are going to claim only 3. Why? Because it's 30% of your token. 3 Bloom is 30% of 10 Bloom. So you are going to get 3 Bloom, and the remaining 7 are going to burn. They are going to go. They are going to get deleted. They are going to delete or burned your 7 Bloom. Why? Because you are claiming at day 1. Day 1, the first day of listing. But if you are claiming at day 30 here, the second one, claim at day 30, you are going to get what? 4.17 Bloom. As the percentage is there, you are going to get what? 4.17 Bloom. That's exactly what you are going to get in after 30 days. That is 1 month. You are going to get 4.17 Bloom, and the remaining what? The remaining 5.83 is going to burn. It's going forever. They are going to delete 5.8 tokens. And if you leave it for up to 90 days, you claim at 90. After 90 days, you are going to get 6.5 Bloom out of your 10 Bloom, and the remaining 3.5 is going to go. They are going to burn them. Okay, and if you stay and keep waiting till the day to 180 days, till after 180 days, you're going to get your complete 10 Bloom tokens. You're gonna have to claim your complete 10 Bloom tokens. All right, so this is exactly how it is going to be. And here they say choose wisely. Choose wisely. How is your Bloom airdrop level set? It is based on your overall percentile ranking, which takes into account multiple factor, meme points, Bloom points, drop game, played, check-ins, farming, friends and their activity. That is why some users with different Bloom points might get the same Bloom allocations. Because of these different things, that's why a lot of people get the same thing. Because if you think you have a lot of meme points, someone got a lot of Bloom points. If you think you have played a lot of drop game, someone check-ins daily more than you do. If you think you check in daily, someone got more friends than you do. That's why the allocation decided to be like that. That is exactly what they are trying to say here, not me. Okay, so I hope you all understand this. And If you have any questions and you have more questions on other airdrops, I'm going to drop link to my WhatsApp/Telegram channel. You can touch the link and join them. All right. And I guess if you have any question concerning these allocations or this token claim of Blum, you can also drop your question on the comment section. All right. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm going to keep updating you with information like this. Thank you and God bless.